All right, we got to mount the battery in the 55 Chevy here. We're actually doing a sub box up on the top floor underneath the package tray. We actually needed to mount the battery back from there a little bit, and that's on a slope. So basically what I had to do is make a template to make a little standoff or a little platform for the battery to actually sit on. I just made up a cardboard template, and we'll have it cut out on an arc light, and then I'll get it bent up and welded in. We got our piece bent up. Now I just need to weld the corners up when we got flanges on it, because we're going to use a GYS spot welder on this. It's a lot easier using a spot welder. It's not as long a weld. A couple spot welds to hold it in, we're good to go. And this is all going to be hidden inside the trunk, so it's not a big issue. You're never really going to see it. So that just makes it quicker, faster, easier to do.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.